Hey, Rick Stein here, RLS Properties. We're back at 34 Arlington, and frankly, truth be known, this rehab is taking longer, a lot longer than I had anticipated, but it's not my general contractor's fault. The place had been vacant for a while, the power had been turned off for a while, so you have to have the city come in and inspect, make sure everything is done right. And dealing with the bureaucracy of the city, Trenton, it's taking, as I said, a lot longer, but it will be done. And when it's done, it'll be really nice. It's a nice street, and then I can rent it out to some nice people and have some nice cash flow on it. And one of the nicest things on this, which we'll discuss another time, and maybe already discussed it, don't remember, is the financing, because it's all about the financing. So let's go in and we'll see what's being done. As it turns out, we have some folks working here today. So here we are inside the house, and as it turns out, we have some folks working here today. So Scott's here, he's in the other room. He's gonna be taking care of some of the plumbing in the bathroom, the thermostat. Again, one of the issues was that the house had been vacant for so long that to turn the power back on, you have to have it re-inspected. That bureaucracy has taken a while. But you may hear that banging. We have Ka, that's his name, painting upstairs. Some of this has been done. So again, he's putting doors on, and we have we have some noise in the background, but that's okay. That's what it is. So living room, great room. This room, we go around here, this bedroom is done. They put the doors on the closet, they painted this room. Of course, they're gonna lay some carpeting, and this will be the bedroom downstairs. There'll be 2 more bedrooms upstairs. So over here, as you can see, the bathroom is not done at all, but they have to put a new diverter in, and they'll paint this. So we have a full bath down here. This is 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Still have to do the kitchen, have to paint the kitchen. Wish it had been done, but it's not. So it is what it is. It's one of the things. You're rehabbing, you're a landlord, things don't always go as planned. It's not what you see on TV, where the program starts at 7 o'clock and ends by 7:30, and everything is done. It doesn't, that's not, they call it reality TV, but in truth, it's not reality. It has no semblance to reality. So, let's go upstairs. Okay, so here's Ka. Oh, wait, Ka.
Once again.
Okay. Ka's painting. This is, again, when we started this was just one big room. But we've divided it, my general contractor has divided it into 2 bedrooms and a sitting area and a bathroom. So I'm gonna leave Ka, let him do his work, and we'll go into another room.
Okay.
Thank you, Ka.
Yeah.
So over here, we're gonna have a nice big, it could be a den, it could be a library, big closet over there. And this is gonna be a nice little room up here. The second bedroom, which again, that wall was not there when we started. So this is a nice sized room. Has to be painted, carpeted, we know that. They put the sheetrock up. Has to be painted, 2 closets. So this is legitimately 2 more bedrooms up here. And another bathroom up here. So when it's all done, it's a single family home with a front porch, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a 1-car garage outside on a nice street. This will rent every day for around $13.50 a month. So I'm looking forward to it being done, obviously, and getting some nice people in here, the nice neighbors. I just spoke to the lady next door, and this is going to be a good acquisition. This is going to be a nice little addition to the portfolio, nice cash flow, great financing on it, which we'll discuss another time. And I guess that's it for now. Now, a lot of people talk to me and they say, gee, Rick, I'd love to invest in real estate. I don't have the time, I don't have the knowledge, I don't have the inclination. Well, another way to do it is simply be a passive investor and invest some funds that you might have sitting in an IRA or a CD or money market collecting nothing, and where you might get a nice return, 5-6%. I'm always looking for people who would like to invest in that way. I can offer you some projects to do that. The property is secured by a lien on the property. It's a mortgage. So check out my YouTube video. Go on YouTube, RLS Properties. It has my has my contact information on there, and I'd love to talk to you. Thank you.